Going to be a chore keeping her in the boat, I'm afraid. Cody, sit. Sit down. Sit down. That's good, Cody. Just sit right there. Stay right there. And you can see that we're going to go through an S up here. So we just want to avoid getting pushed into the bank on the right. Cody, sit. Good job. Sit, sit. Sit. Sit, sit, sit. All right, straight through. Woo! How'd that feel?
Very refreshing.
All right, here we are. Cody has settled down a little bit more now. She's a little bit more relaxed. This is the first time that she's been in the canoe. Had to tie her down earlier because we were going through some rapids that would be disastrous if she would have jumped out right in the middle of the rapids. But right now, you can obviously see it's pretty calm. And she's calmed down a little bit. I don't think she's going to jump out. If she does, she'll just have to swim for a while until we can pull the canoe over and have her get back in. Hopefully this will turn out to be a pleasant experience both for us as the paddlers, as the canoers, and our passenger Cody here. Yeah, Cody, you're doing very well now. Okay, calm down. Getting an idea of what it's like to be in the canoe. Pretty fun out here, huh? Hey, Cody, look at me here. Look at me. Look here. That's right. Sit down. Sit down now. That's good. All right. Just relax and take a look at the beautiful scenery as Phil and I paddle you down the river. No, no, don't jump up on top of me here. Get back. Get back. Go sit down. Go sit down. Sit down. Sit down. All right, Cody. Go ahead and sit down now, please. Looking at the fish in the water, huh? Okay, sit down. That's good. Yeah, you just stay right there. And we'll head downriver. We got a nice calm stretch up ahead. Phil's being real nice by paddling while I do the filming. Beautiful day. It's September, early September, on the Stanislaus River, below Knight's Ferry. Temperatures are still in the low 90s. So it's a nice warm day. Water's cool. Very comfortable and scenic to be out on the river. Big danger is that she'll all of a sudden jump over the side, and she weighs about 85 pounds. So if we're not prepared for that, she could tip us over. Well, Cody has decided to go for a swim instead of staying in the canoe. There she is back there, swimming along, trying to keep up with the canoe. Maybe she'll figure out sooner or later that it's a lot easier to stay in the canoe and ride along with us than trying to swim down the river. She's a good, strong swimmer, though. We'll pull over in a little while and let her get back in the canoe. We don't want her to get too tired. Although we would like her to get somewhat tired, so that maybe she'll lie down in the bottom of the canoe and stop jumping out.